Now to the latest in the Karen Read murder trial. Today, jurors heard from experts in DNA about evidence collected at the crime scene, and that includes a piece of hair found on Karen Read's car. NBC 10's John Maroney live outside the courthouse in Dedham. So, John, fireworks may have been missing from the courthouse today, but this testimony is still important.
You are right, Jesse. DNA evidence isn't necessarily exciting, but it could end up deciding Karen Read's fate.
In this case, when comparing the John O'Keefe profile.
An expert telling the jury taillight pieces from Karen Read's SUV include DNA from John O'Keefe based on testing.
It'd be very strong support for inclusion.
Another DNA expert said a piece of hair found on the vehicle was most likely O'Keefe's as well. Read is accused of hitting and killing her boyfriend with her SUV.
As I take a closer look, there are two pieces.
State Police Lieutenant Brian Tully supervised the collection of evidence from the Canton crime scene. The defense asked why his report indicated 3 taillight pieces were found, yet the evidence bags contained 5. Tully said his report might be incorrect.
But I would argue that the handwritten notes on the bag that are contemporaneous to the collection of the evidence would be more accurate.
You didn't seek a search warrant for 34 Fairview, the interior of 34 Fairview, correct?
Yes.
Defense attorney Alan Jackson pressed him on why the home where O'Keefe was discovered was never searched. The defense maintains the Boston police officer was killed inside. Lieutenant Tully said there wasn't enough evidence to obtain a search warrant.
I have evidence that he was outside, but I don't have anything putting him inside the residence.
The jury was shown Read's locations on the night O'Keefe died using her cell phone records. The defense challenged some of the data, but investigators say they're consistent with witness accounts and surveillance video of her movements.
There were 53 phone calls from Miss Read to a phone number associated with John O'Keefe.
Now, the defense did not challenge any of the DNA experts. Court is over for the day. Tomorrow will be a full day of testimony. Well, in Dedham, John Maroney, NBC 10 Boss.